Hello, today we are learning about quadratic equation. So we are going to solve questions under quadratic equation using the factorization method. So quadratic equation. And we are going to solve questions under the factorization. Factorization. So first of all, we have to explain the concept of quadratic equation. So we can say quadratic equation is any equation with x squared. So we can say quadratic equation is any equation with x like ax squared plus bx plus c are equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. So we have this question is a question under quadratic equation. So with this we solve it by breaking them into two different parts. So let's take this question and try our hands on. So they solve x squared plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. So first of all, you have to find two numbers. When you multiply and add it, when you multiply, you're going to get 6. And when you add it, you're going to get 5. So we are going to use these two numbers to look for two numbers. When you multiply them, you get a 6. When you add them, you have to get this 5. So one number are we going to be? We have 2 and 3. So the number when multiply, you will get 6, and when added, you will get 5, 2 and 3. These are the numbers. When you add them, you get 5, and when you multiply them, you get 6. So now you rewrite this equation. Because earlier when it was x squared plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Because we have gotten these 2 and 3, we are going to rewrite it as rewrite x squared plus 2x plus 3x plus 6. So that's the rewriting of it. Then you group like terms. So you group them. When you group them, you're going to get what? This and this. So this and this, which one will stand out? Is x going to be out. Then get x here plus 2. Then you have all this and this. 3 will come out. X here plus 2 as well. So you have to make sure anytime the middle ones are the same. This happen like that, you just take this, which is x plus 3 in the bracket, and just x plus 2 also in the bracket equal to 0. Now you have this as a 1, right? Now so the answer here is either x is equal to 3 or x is equal to 2. This is the answer for this question when you solve it. Thank you. So let's take this question and try our hands on with the questions. Try work. So it's in 2 minutes you can solve this question. And the question is x squared plus 7x plus 10 they all equal to 0. So we are going to factorize this question in 2 minutes. 2 minutes. So you can pause the video, you factorize it, use the first formula, how we do it, and do it as well in 2 minutes time. Okay, so let's solve it. Yes, I hope you have tried your hands on. So the two numbers that when you add them, you're going to get 7, and when you multiply them, you're going to get 10. Let me say it's 5 and 2. These two numbers, when you add them, you're going to get 7. But when you multiply them, you're going to get a 10. So when you're rewriting the whole formula again, you can get x squared plus 5x plus 2x plus 10. Then you group like this. So when you're grouping like this, you're going to get, or you're factorizing, you're going to get x outside, x in the bracket plus 5. Then plus 2 outside, and x in the bracket plus 5. 2 times 5 will give you 10. 2 times x will give you 2x. Then x times 5 will give you 5x. X times x will give you 2x squared. So with this, you're going to get x plus 2 in the bracket again. And you take one of these ones, you can write x plus 5 because it's the same thing. These two are the same thing. Now, we have x plus 2 equal to 0. And you can get x is equal to 2. Then here we have x plus 5 equal to 0. And you can get x is equal to 5. That's it. So when you're factorizing x squared plus 7x plus 10 equal to 0, at the end of the day you have to get s is equal to 2 or x is equal to 5 in the factorization method under quadratic equation factorization. So you can watch me, follow me, watch through the next video. I will continue with the next one as well. As time goes on, I'll be posting them. So follow, watch, and pause it to solve the question and understand it. If you don't understand it, you can leave your comments under the comment section and I'll come and explain it further for you as well. Thank you. Have a nice day.